Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Katie Shindig, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new here, hi, I'm Katie, nice to meet you. Today I am back with another Nadine West video. Of course, these are my favorite. For those of you that don't know what Nadine West is, it is a clothing subscription box. The more you get, the more items they send you. It's not limited. You just pay for what you keep and you send back whatever you don't want in the same envelope they send it to you in. They give you about a week to try everything on. You do fill out a styling quiz and it does cost $10 a shipment, but I will have a link down below where you can get $10 off of yours. So without further ado, let's get into the video. If you want to know my style preferences, I will have a video linked down below where I have previously gone through my style preferences for my Nadine West account. One bunch, a piece of jewelry, a piece of jewelry, another bunch, a piece of jewelry, and another bunch. And then we have my return shipping label and also my price sheet. So let's start with the jewelry because it's easiest. The first thing that we have is this Brenda bracelet in gold for $12.99. It's just like this gold circle bracelet. It's stretchy. I don't really like this. I don't like the design. I don't like the stretchiness of this. I'm sending this back, but I normally always send the jewelry back anyways because I'm not really a big jewelry person. I wear the same jewelry every day. I don't take it on and off and change it. So I will probably be sending all the jewelry back. The next thing that we have is the bracelet Marcia for $13.99, and it's just a gold bangle. Ugh. It's just a gold bangle with these blue stones on it. I actually think this one's pretty cute. I think my mom would like this. So that is it. And last but not least, for jewelry, we have these Envy earrings for $16.99. I don't really care for the pattern of these either, and I will also be sending them back. Now onto the clothes, the most exciting part. I am going to be starting with the first bundle that I pulled out that has this as a sneak peek, just because I did accidentally rip it. So because this looks like a whole outfit, I am just going to try it on together. So first we have a shirt, and then with this shirt I also went ahead and tried on these pants. So this is the Lillian Wool Dobby V-neck blouse for $11.99. I don't really like this shirt. I don't really care for this frilly thingy here. I'm not a huge fan of the sleeves. They're like weirdly lengthed and tight. They're like weirdly lengthed and tight. I feel like it's way too low cut for me to be able to wear to work. And also, the bottom is weird. And then these pants are the Barbara pants for $19.99. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, these are weird. They're like sweatpants. Literally, this is a pair of sweatpants made to look like denim, I believe. I'm not sure how high up they're supposed to be worn. I said I believe. Like, they have pockets drawn on, a zipper area drawn on. Like, this is weird. Even the ankles, like, the whole inside of the pant feels like sweatpants. They have back pockets. Like, they're super comfy, but they look horrible. Absolutely horrible. I think that if there's not a lot of things in this box that I like, I will keep these pants just because they're comfy and to wear around the house. I would not wear them as fake denim, but if there are other things that I really like, I'll send these pants back. This shirt I will be sending back. And on to the next pouch. Okay, so our next item is a top. So this is the Kaylin top for $18.49. I think this top is really cute. I really like the color. It's super flowy and nice, and it just looks girly. I think it'd be really cute for transitioning into fall because the sleeves are a little bit longer. It's long, it covers your butt, so you can throw it on with a pair of leggings and booties, or if it's still warm outside, sandals. So I just think that this top is super cute, and I think I'll be keeping it. The next two items that I'm trying on will both be dresses. Okay, so this is the first dress. It is the So Free dress for $32.29. That is a little bit more than what my prices normally are. However, I am so happy. This dress is so cute. I love the color, I love the fit, I love the cut, and I love the stars. I feel like stars are so in right now too, that this is just like perfect. I could not, this dress is so cute, and I'm so excited to wear this. Fall pictures, Okay, so this dress is called So Free for $31.49. I think this dress is cute. However, I am not a huge fan of it on my body. I think if I was taller and it went like this, it would be cute. I do like the asymmetrical hem on the bottom, especially with the dress being called Spellbound, because it kind of reminds me of like a witchy theme. And I feel like if this dress was black, it could make a great witch costume. But I do think I will be sending this dress back. And now we are on our last pouch, so if we hope that my camera battery does not die, please hit the thumbs up button down below. Next, I'll be trying on a shirt and a pair of pants together. Okay, so this top is the Naomi top for $25.99. I actually really like this top. I have the tank top version of this top. I kept it in one of my last Nadine lists. And now I have the long sleeve. I'll definitely be keeping this shirt. I think it's a super cute, like just casual, but still girly and fun shirt. I also went ahead and tried it on with these Zeta bottoms for $23.94, and I actually really like them together. I think this is a super cute but comfy outfit. These pants are patterned and it kind of draws attention, but they're still dark and they're still comfortable, but they're not like baggy and not flattering. I think this is a really cute outfit together, and I think that I'll be keeping both of these pieces. And last but not least, we have one more dress. Okay guys, so this is a t-shirt dress called Lonnie for $17.99. I love the color of this dress. Absolutely love it. It's like a purple blue. I think it is so cute. I mean, I love this color. I think I'll definitely be keeping this dress. It's so comfy. It's the perfect length. I love t-shirt dresses and dresses in general, and I think I'll definitely be keeping this dress. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. Comment down below and let me know what your favorite clothing item from this video was. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up because it really helps support my channel. If you'd like to keep seeing me, then please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching.
All I do is adore you all of the time. I like to I like to I like to love you every day. I like to love you, I like to love you, if I may, if I may. I like to love you, I like to love you, I like to love you night and day, if I may. I like to every day. I'd like to love you, love you.